Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. Let's go to the next question. Do you have a beauty budget or spend freely? Budget. If I'm gonna buy makeup, I'm trying to hold myself back from buying makeup, of course. But if I'm gonna try makeup, I'm trying to have a budget, because if I spend freely, I will have no money to live. So I always like stick to a budget and everything. Actually, I love to make everything organized, especially about money. Sometimes just go so far, but I'm sorry for the noise. But usually I stick to the budget. So this is for this video. So let's go away because it's really scary sound. So yeah, so let's go to the next video for the next question. I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.